Hi, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I am getting ready to fix some baby ribs. They are already smoked. I am going to boil them a little bit, and then I'll be putting them in the oven. These are the seasonings that I'm going to put on the meat: the onion powder, garlic powder, Chef Prudhomme's Poultry Magic, Tony Chachere's no salt seasoning blend, and a little bit of Slap Your Mama. And I'm going to run these in the oven. They have already been washed, and I'm going to just boil them a little bit and pour that water off and put them in the oven on about 375 for about 45 minutes, but we'll come right back and let you know what's happening in Patty's Southern Kitchen. This is Patty, and I'm getting ready to run these baby ribs in the oven, and I boiled them for about 15 minutes, poured that water off, and then I put them in this pan here, and I mixed up my barbecue sauce, and it is honey with the barbecue sauce, and honey, mustard, and regular mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. I mixed all of this together and poured it on my ribs. But before that, I used the Tony Chachere's no salt seasoning and the Chef Paul Prudhomme's poultry seasoning, and a little bit of Slap Your Mama, so I can just add that little twist to it. Slap Your Mama is always great. And this is the onion powder and the garlic powder, and I just season it to taste. I have my oven preheated at 375, and I'm getting ready to run these in the oven. Okay, let's see me put them right here in the oven. Okay, here they go. And I'm going to set the oven for about 40 or 45 minutes, and we will come right back. Hi, I'm back to show you the finished product. These are my baby ribs, and I am going to let Tyler be the tester tonight, and I'm going to try one as well. And this is the meat that he is going to test. But let me get one. Let me test one. Good, spicy flavor all the way through. Now, how do you taste one? Let's see. Just move away from the pan. Flavorful. So good. Spicy. Seasoned to taste. And if you like my video, please subscribe, like, share, follow, and ask your friends and family to follow us and subscribe as well. And this is Patty's Southern Kitchen. We'll be right back with you soon. But this concludes the presentation for the ribs. Goodbye.